In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users in Expensify. If you're managing expenses or working in an environment where you need to collaborate with team members, adding users to your Expensify account can streamline the process, making it much easier to share and manage expenses. So, let's walk through the steps together. To begin, ensure you are logged into your Expensify account. From your workspace dashboard, you'll find yourself on the Overview page, which provides a comprehensive snapshot of your expense management activities. It's here that you have control over who has access to this workspace. Now, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll notice a sub-menu that houses several options for managing your workspace. Dock your attention to the Members section there. Go ahead and click on Members. This will navigate you to a page where you can see a list of all current members that are part of your workspace. In the top right corner of this page, there is an inviting button that reads, Invite Member. Click on this button, and you'll be directed to a new interface where you can input details about the new user you want to add. It's important here to ensure you're gathering accurate information. You'll need to enter their name, email address, and optionally, their phone number. For instance, if I were to input a test email, I might use a placeholder like demo.tester@example.com. Remember, the information provided should be correct for smooth communication with the new member. Once you've filled in these fields, your next action will be to proceed by clicking the Next button. This is straightforward and takes you to another screen where you'll assign a role to this new user. Typically, you'll opt for the member role unless they need higher privileges. After you've chosen the appropriate role, click on the Invite button to finalize the process and send the invitation. Be sure to double-check all entered information to avoid any confusion or errors. This small step of reviewing can save a lot of hassle later on. Subsequently, once you send out the invitation, you should see the new user reflected in your members list instantly. This confirmation shows that the user has been successfully added to your workspace. It's a simple yet effective way to manage who has the capacity to access and handle financial reports and transactions within your Expensify account. By following these outlined steps, you can effectively manage user participation in your expense tracking efforts. This process ensures that collaboration is seamless and everyone who needs access to expense data has the tools to contribute efficiently. Thank you for joining me today, and happy managing your finances on Expensify.